Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix there's an active subscriptions on this account that requires at least one payment on file. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're having this type issue, so let's see how can you easily fix the issue. So basically it happens when you have an active subscriptions and it requires at least one payment. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first is basic step. You have to open your settings here and then tap on your Apple ID. And here you just have to select subscriptions and you have to make sure that you have paid for all subscriptions, or if you have any pending paid payments on your any subscriptions, so you must have to pay for that, or you can cancel subscriptions also. Or after doing that, it will almost fix your issue. Or if it doesn't work for you, so you just have to open your browser and look for Apple Support, or you can use Apple Support app. I'm going to use my app, and from here you just have to select your iPhone and then select subscriptions and purchases, and here you have to select the option of view, change or cancel subscriptions. Once you have selected, you just have to wait for a second, then scroll down and you will find the option of get more help. Select call us. Now you will find a phone number on your screen. Whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number and you will be contacted or connected with the Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So in this way, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.